I'm Jesze, and I'm the park specialist here at Thousand Hills State Park, and we're going to take a look at the Petroglyph Shelter here behind me and learn what's inside it. So if you want to follow me on inside. We are here at the Petroglyph Shelter. A petroglyph is an image created by removing part of a rock surface, or simply put, a rock carving. They're made by the ancestors of today's American Indians, and they're used to communicate. So our petroglyphs could symbolize a lot of different things. They may symbolize ceremonies, stories, history, or any other important life events. While the date of creation is unknown, we do have an educated guess on when these petroglyphs were created. So we believe that they were created during the late Woodland period, which is 600 to 900 AD, or about 1600 to 1000 years ago. And this is just based on the symbols that we have and the lack of some symbols that would be in the next time period. It's really difficult to determine when petroglyphs were created because they're made by removing part of a rock. We also don't know if they were made at the same time, so that's why we just have an estimate about when they were created. Now, this petroglyph site was discovered in 1955 by a Kirksville resident who happened to be a member of the Missouri Archaeological Society. When he found these, he let the society know, and the following year somebody came out and authenticated the site, made sure these really were petroglyphs, and then they started to work on protecting them. And by 1970, they added these petroglyphs to the National Register of Historic Places. Thank you for joining me today to learn more about the petroglyphs at Thousand Hills State Park. Join us next week to learn more.